There's no sort of great pressing need for this war. It's much more a political venture to give Augustus some claim to have done something. And it was important because it was one of only 2 foreign wars that he took part in person. He was determined to show himself as being sort of a great military man, just as Julius Caesar and Pompey the Great and all of these great leaders before him had. Later, in his sort of self-aggrandizing memoirs, these things he called the Res Gestae, he described the Cantabrian War as being a sort of a great moment in Rome's history, where he was able to declare peace across seas and land. And he even did this great feat of closing the doors of the Temple of Janus. And this was something that was a sort of a symbolic act that only was ever performed when Rome was entirely at peace across all of its dominions.